The October numbers are in, so let's break down the market data for single-family homes in Aurora, Illinois. Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Today, we're breaking down the October 2025 numbers for the Aurora real estate market. We'll start with the big picture, then we'll take a closer look at the zip codes, and finally by school district, so you know exactly what's happening in your neighborhood. At the time of this recording, there are 131 active listings in Aurora, with an average list price of around $438,000. On the demand side, 132 homes are under contract, with an average list price of approximately $418,000. 117 homes sold in October, and that's 33 more than we saw in September and 14% greater than the 103 sales we saw last October. The average sold price across Aurora came in at about $376,000, and homes are spending about 38 days on the market. Aurora has the lowest market entry point, as well as the lowest number of days on market compared to its neighboring communities of Naperville, Oswego, and Plainfield. Now, let's dig deeper into the different Aurora zip codes. There are 14 active listings in 60502, with an average list price of $599,000. There are also 12 properties under contract and 9 homes sold in October with an average sold price of $555,000. 60503 has 37 active listings with an average list price of $532,000. Additionally, 32 properties are under contract and 15 homes were sold in October with an average sold price of $469,000. There are 28 active listings in 60504 with an average list price of $401,000. There are also 18 properties under contract and 22 homes were sold in October with an average sold price of $406,000. 60505 supports 20 active listings with an average list price of $294,000. Additionally, 26 properties are under contract and 23 homes were sold in October with an average selling price of $258,000. Finally, 60506 has 30 active listings with an average list price of around $377,000. Presently, 45 homes are under contract and 48 homes closed in October, averaging $357,000. The key takeaway here is that higher end activity is concentrated in 60502 and 60503, while 60505 and 60506 continue to provide budget-friendly options for buyers. There are 28 active listings in Indian Prairie School District 204 with an average list price of $519,000. There are also 11 properties under contract and 21 homes sold in October with an average sold price of $483,000. West Aurora School District 129 has 27 active listings with an average list price of $386,000. Additionally, 44 properties are under contract and 44 homes were sold in October with an average sold price of $354,000. East Aurora School District 131 supports 34 active listings with an average list price of $317,000, and additionally 41 properties are under contract and 31 homes were sold in October with an average sold price of $279,000. There are 38 active listings in Oswego District 308 with an average list price of $528,000. There are also 33 properties under contract and 16 homes sold in October with an average sold price of $470,000. A few families living in Aurora attend Batavia School District 101. There is one active listing priced at $455,000. Additionally, 2 properties are currently under contract and 2 homes were sold in October with an average sold price of $445,000. Finally, Kaneland School District 302 has one active listing priced at $385,000. And presently 1 home is under contract and 3 homes closed in October with an average sold price of $420,000. The key takeaway here is that school districts continue to play a significant role in pricing and demand. Districts 204 and 308 draw higher price points, and while not a substantial part of Aurora, homes in District 101 and 302 also command higher price points. Properties located in Districts 129 and 131 tend to be more affordable and budget friendly. For buyers, Aurora offers opportunities across all budgets, with steady inventory and a wide range of price points across the zip codes and school districts. From the high 200,000s in 60505 to the higher end homes in 60502, there are options for every budget. And for sellers, with 132 homes under contract in October, the market is healthy and demand is steady. Homes that are priced correctly and marketed well are selling with an average of just 38 days. October's numbers indicate that the Aurora real estate market remains the seller's market overall, with variations depending on zip code and school district. Inventory levels remain low, and buyers are actively seeking opportunities to acquire their new home. Aurora has the lowest market entry point, as well as the shortest time on market when compared to its neighbors. Once again, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. If you're curious about your next move, reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.